much time wide-eyed at holiday scenes. Now they're worn out, dreaming Christmas dreams. Dreams of cookies and cards, boxes and bows, storefronts and stockings and days when it snows, with all of the secrets that this season keeps. It's a wonder at all that they fall asleep. I smile as I kiss them, 'cause under that tree are surprises that they're not expecting to see. We're just hours